So now we'll draw a parabola by a rectangle method. So draw a parabola having a base 120 mm and axis 80 mm using a rectangle method. You can see the base and the axis itself representing the two sides of the rectangle. Okay, so base of the rectangle will be always horizontal and the axis should be vertical for the parabola. So with this dimension, draw one rectangle here. Base should be horizontal and axis should be vertical. So this rectangle is a size of 120 by 80 mm, and this rectangle is designated by the letter ABCD. Now vertical axis of the parabola is given, which is passing through the center of this line AB and CD. So by taking a midpoint of line AB and CD, we'll draw one axis which represent the axis of a parabola, and it is designated by this letter OS. Now divide this AC line into any number of equal parts. Now here again I am following the similar procedure to draw one line at inclined at any angle from this point A. I am taking 5 number of points at equidistance over this line, and I am joining this end point of the line with the point C. Okay, after joining I am drawing all the lines from these points parallel to this line here, so that I will divide this AC line into the same number of equal parts. So this will be 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and A itself is a 5 dash. Now join all these points with the point O here. Now similar to the ellipse, divide this CS line now into a same number of parts, that is 5. Now I have divided this CS line into 5 number of equal parts. So now in this case, so we need to draw vertical lines from each and every point till it intersect corresponding lines here. That means we need to draw one vertical line from the 1 till it intersect 1 dash O. This would be your first point of parabola. Similarly, draw vertical line or perpendicular to the CS from this point 2 till it intersect 2 dash O. This would be your second point. For the third point, draw this vertical line up to 3 dash O. This will be your third point. And for the fourth point, draw vertical line from the 4 till it intersect 4 dash O. This would be your fourth point. And O itself is the fifth point of a parabola. So we have completed the half portion of the parabola. Now for the remaining half, we need to divide this BD line into 5 number of equal parts. Now you can take a distance between C and 1 dash in a compass, and you can mark these distances here to divide this BD line into 5 number of parts. Now similar to this one, join all these points with the O here. Now divide this SD line into 5 number of equal parts. Now again similar to this first quarter or first half portion of the parabola, draw the vertical lines from these points till it intersect corresponding line here. So draw vertical line or perpendicular to DS from the 1 up to the 1 dash O. This would be a first point in the second half of the parabola. From the 2, draw vertical line up to 2 dash O. This would be P2 point. From 3, draw vertical line up to 3 dash O. This would be your third point. So you have drawn the vertical line from this fourth point to obtain this fourth point. And we have already obtained this fifth point because O itself is the fifth point of the parabola. Now starting from the C and end with the D, draw one curve passing through all these points. And it would be nothing but a parabola which is enclosed within the rectangle. And it is also known as a rectangular parabola.